Hey, what's up? Oh, I'm 48. 48. 48. Jesus. Good God. God, them bicycles. Number 19 in line. I think I just bought out the shoe department. It's gonna be a good day. Can't wait to show y'all what I just dug out of there. That was a lot. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Casey, the Carolina Hustler. I just pulled into my Goodwill. First one. They are open at 10 o'clock. I'm pretty sure it's going to be let 20 people in at a time. But I better get out because they lining up out here, as you can see. Let's go get it. I think it was only right. So, yeah, get a number. All right.
Give you a number.
Okay.
When you're done shopping, if you could return it.
Okay, thank you. Hey, what's up? Oh, I'm 48. 48. 48. Jesus. Good God. God, them bicycles. I didn't have to. Okay. Just walk in this one. Oh, I got a number. 14. Thank you. Blue arrow, follow you. 15. Let's go.
Hello, sir.
Hey,
Welcome to Goodwill.
alright.
Just follow the arrows on the floor.
Number one, baby. Number one. Good boy.
You have to give you a number before entering
Okay.
the store.
Hey, getting a Goodwill here. Ain't nobody playing around. Old time reseller, trying to hustle. One of the best Goodwills in the low country. Come on, people, open up. Okay. Not feeling none of this. Let's see what we got in this glove here, man. Wedge. Holding. Now I think I find no golf clubs. Oh, look at that. Cut down. The juniors. I'm not gonna get that. We're gonna pick these up in here. I seen a lot. I'm gonna pick it up. They're like $10. But I'll leave that. Wilson racket. Just got a racket all thrown in here. Let's see what kind of golf club. Oh, there's a white out. Let's go faster. Scored. Hell yeah. Got a Odyssey White House putter. Good. That's a good one too. There you go. Up a little. That good in there. What we got in here? A bunch of junk. Somebody come here and got all the good stuff. It's a Ram set. Oh, really? 52? Oh, that's a Shectron. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's a good glove. That's a really good glove, man. That's a cool wedge. Hey, I'll take that one. That bag we got. Bags in here. Everything good. Oh my God, look at what's over here. What's going on? Some pink stuff. Oh yeah, I got Jill. These pink hair covers are cool. These pink hair covers. I need these. Oh, $10 for the whole thing. Dunks Unlimited putter. Cleveland wedge. We'll leave it. Dang. Kind of cool. Wilson. Tailmate 3-wood steel. Cool. That's a good glove. Oh, that's a butter. Yeah, I've seen that one before. That was pretty cool. Some barrels. We got some tennis rackets. Thunder racket. That's a thunder racket. I just saw one of these. Let's check it out. I think your favorite. Oh, it's slick. See that? It's slick with that one. What is this? What the heck is that? Sports? Man, that feels cheap. Oh, shit, look at that. Man, look at that. Alright, we done. Top fingers over here, crock pots. I ain't getting them. I got my stash already. Trying to make my way. Sketches. E6. E6. That might be a winner. Pick those up.
9,
Ping bag.
6, and 8.
Check that ping bag out. That's cool. Yeah. Pretty cool. See on the bottom glass. It's cool. Like the Starbucks mugs. Jack Daniels mug. Kits. A lot of chairs. DVD players. Nothing catching my eye here. Watch out. We'll get you. We got the movies. VHS. Hello, everybody. Walking out to Goodwill. I was number 19 in line. I think I just bought out the shoe department. It's gonna be a good day. Can't wait to show y'all what I just dug out of there. That was a loud truck. Man, wasn't no reseller in this Goodwill. I picked the one with no resellers on these, but man, let's just dig in here. We got these Air Jordans here. Jordan stuff selling pretty hot right now. Here's all the shoes I found in that Goodwill. Unfortunately, the video did get shut off, but did want to show you all the shoes. It was a really good find in there. It's probably around 9 different shoes in really good shape. Here I did find a Stretchron 52 degree WG. I've never heard of this wedge, but Stretchron is a good wedge to pick up, so definitely got that. Got some Skechers shoes. Pretty decent. I thought it was a good pickup. So nice. I wish they were my size. I'd wear them. Then we got some Nike. I think the structures. I didn't see a whole lot of sole comps on these, but these are in good shape for running shoes. The bottoms are good. I just want to clean them up. I look at condition on shoes more than the actual sole comp sometimes. That's me. They're really good shape and a decent brand. You know, these tees. I'll pick them up. So that's what we found here. Really wasn't a whole lot in there. If there was, I missed it. It's pretty nice. They're like new. Brand new. Like these are new. Probably some was pre-owned. Or maybe defect. I don't know. These are new. They've never been worn. But all these shoes are 5, 10, 15. And then the shoe is, I mean, the club was 3. So, well, less than 20 bucks for all that. And check that out, man. Look what my wife just found. That's a swing. A swing tricycle. It's pretty cool. Let's pay for that. $7.99. That's a marketplace flip. It's pretty cool. I think I can ride that. Got a ping bag. Nice, $5. Pair of Starberries by stuff on them all there.
Do you have to wait to get the store?
Nope. Timberland shoes. Yeah, that store was pretty good. Some Nikes. My wife wants to go in there. And a Harley Davidson lamp and a Ninja shaker. Alright guys, just at this Goodwill and just picked up a few good things. I'll show you. Got some Prince tennis rackets. Not too bad. Tennis season is in, so they're selling. Got some A6 running shoes. A6 running shoes right here. We're in pretty good shape. These are the gel up courts. So decided to pick these up. They were $5. And then we got an Odyssey putter. Finally found a golf club. Odyssey White Hot #1. This is about anywhere from $25 to $35 golf club, so should sell pretty good. Doesn't need a grip, but it's common with these. And also, Mr. Ben Hogan here himself, love picking these up. This is a 3 hybrid. These do sell anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks, so not too bad. This is the 21 degree, so that's pretty good stuff from that Goodwill. Surprised. So fun day of treasure hunting in that Goodwill. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Carolina Hustler here. It's Casey, full-time reseller. Just went on a Goodwill hunt today. Got my wife filming. She won't be shown on camera, but it's okay. Anyway, got a lot of stuff we found today. I just want to show y'all. To bring the camera over here. Fortunately, the camera cut off on me while I was at one Goodwill, but I did find a lot of good shoes. So if you want, can you see? Can you come over here? Just come over here. Got these Nike Air Maxes. Like the sole comps were pretty good on these. Found these Asics. Y'all probably saw that in the video earlier, but I found a decent pair of Asics. This is a pair of Air Jordans. They're in okay shape once I clean them up. That was in that one good video where the video cut off. Along with these Sperry's. I think they're Topsiders. Topsiders? Yeah, Topsiders. In really good shape. Also got some Nike, another pair of Nikes. A little bit sole comps. They ain't great. Maybe like $20 pair of shoes, but still not bad. Look like they were in really good shape. Of course, I did find these Jordans. I probably saw that in the video when I came out that one Goodwill. But these are in like mint condition, so really good find there. Got some Saucony running shoes, decent. It's like tread on the bottom of them is pretty decent. And we got some Timberlands. Timberlands look pretty good. I looked at the sole comps. They look like they were pretty decent. Also, we got some Harley Davidson boots. I found that in that Goodwill where the video got cut off. So that's a really good find there. Harley Davidson boots sell pretty well. I think the sole costs $30-40. Alright guys, my wife also went back up to the Goodwill later this evening and went to the Goodwill where I found the home run on shoes. And she found this nice Patagonia puffer belt. What is it called?
Patagonia.
Patagonia.
Faux fur.
Beaufort?
Faux fur.
Faux fur.
Faux fur.
Faux fur. That's a Patagonia faux fur. I don't know what the sole comps. I know I would definitely miss this all day in there. There's some CB Max. Azeri. I don't know. I can't identify these in the store for shoes. But my wife has good luck selling these on her end. So she got some good finds. Also found these Nikes. These don't sell that well. I did pick them up because they were in really good shape. So pick those up. Then I got these LL Bean boots. I almost think they're brand new. I really don't think these are used. And I know the sole comps are very good on those. So I got all these shoes for $5 a piece too, by the way. And the Starberries, this is Stephon Marbury. He used to be a basketball player, so played in China and the NBA. But they're in really good shape. He has his own shoe brand, so these are Starberries. So good pickup there. Also found board game. Brand new, sealed in the pack. I got this for $1.99. That wasn't too bad. So I think the sole comps were $20. What else are we missing? I picked this up on the golf clubs. I picked this up on the marketplace earlier. That was for $20. I want to say I picked this up because I know one of these games, this game right here, Minecraft, will sell for about $25. So that pretty much pays for the whole lot, and then I can lot some of these together because a lot of them are connect. So that'd be good. And what else did we find? Oh, we got a Ninja blender. It's kind of buried underneath everything, so we'll just leave it there. Ninja blender. And we got a Harley Davidson lamp. I looked the sole comp up on this. It looked pretty decent. So if it works, it's gonna be a good sell. What else we got in here? Oh, I left out some Nikes in here. It's been a pretty crazy day. A lot of stuff we found. 2 Prince rackets. I think I featured that or showed y'all that while I was at a Goodwill. So one of the Goodwills had some Prince rackets. Tennis rackets are selling very well for me right now. Then we got some more Nike shoes. Look like they're pretty decent shape. I always look at the bottoms. That's normally what a runner likes on a pre-owned pair of shoes because I'm a runner and that's what I would look at. So these should sell pretty good. Got this recording. Also found this Wii U on the Facebook Marketplace. You can see a whole Wii U lot with games. I got a Mario game. My son's playing it right now. That's why he's getting frustrated over there in the background. But got some games in here. Pretty good. Also came with the. Let's see if I can find it in here. It's buried, I know. God, look at the Luigi remote go. There it is. That remote alone was worth like $30-40. So I guess you can find the character remotes. They do sell well. They're collectible. So good find there. I believe so. As you see, we had a pretty good day. Appreciate everybody watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and please tune in to some more videos. See you later.